Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to send meeting invitation in Outlook, or how you can send the team meeting invitation in Outlook. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here I am going to show you how you can send the meeting invitation. So here two way you can send the meeting invitation. First, you can immediately send the meeting invitation on particular email. Okay, if you get the if you get the email like this, and if you want to create meeting on this email subject or email related this email, so you can immediately create the meeting. Okay, you just click on this icon, meeting icon, or you can you can go here, you can click here. So just select the meeting icon on in the response tab. Maybe you have the different icon, just find out it, or maybe you have only meeting option here. Just click on it, then the new window will be open, and here you can see your all mail details synchronized automatically, like subject and this person. From get this person I got the mail from, so it is add automatically. And now you can add more person from here, from your address book. It is require a tab where you have to add people here, which is very mandated to attend this meeting. So add from your address book. You can change your address book from here if you have more address book, like, okay. And you can add people, just double click on it, will be add here. And you can also add people here also for optional required. Okay, you can add from here. Now you can select the start time as in time with date. This is location, this is a location. You can, okay, select from here, or just type the location. So I just type like Mumbai. Okay, so it is typed. Now this is mail on. Okay, so this is response about this mail, and I want to make the meeting. So I just create the meeting. Now I can send it. So after saying, it will be get the message will send the both all peoples, and your meeting will be start on selected date on time. Just send it, or you can delete it, or you can also save it. Okay, if you want to send later, just save it. Okay, so that is how you can send mail, create meeting or send meeting in Outlook. Another way, you can just go to the new item and go to the meeting, and here you have to fill up the all details: title, your email required, option required, your start time, date, location, and all, and you can send it to these people. The same way you can add. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.